can you get rich off YouTube? The short answer is yes. Is it possible to get rich off of YouTube? The short answer is also yes. Is it easy to get rich off YouTube? Definitely not. Now I'm going to break down. Have people gotten rich off YouTube? Yes. How many people get rich off YouTube? Well, that has to be a lot less than 1% of YouTube creators. See, if you look at somebody's video, you can assume that that person is getting $10 to $15 per 1,000 views. Now, that is actually a lot of money, right? $10. So it's basically a dollar per 100 views. So if you take a video that's got a million views, well, you calculate that person probably made $10,000 off that video. $10,000 for a million views, right? That is a lot of money. So I was just watching this DDG video, 1.4 million views. You assume he got $14,000 off that video. That is a fortune. You see what I'm saying? Like, that is a lot of money. It is simple. That's, if he can make $14,000 a video and he posts a video every single day, well, I mean, that is crazy, right? But that's not realistic. But now, if you look at somebody like Mr. Beast, and he posts a video and gets 300 million views, you can assume that he made $3 million off of that video. And while that's crazy and super motivating, it's not very motivating at the beginning. See, advertisers do not want their ads and such of that nature to go towards smaller YouTube channels. So that means YouTube charges them less and gives you less. See, for something like my videos right here, my channel Blake Went, which I highly recommend you go subscribe to, my channel Blake Went, I only get about $2 to $4 per 1,000 views. Now, it is way less than these bigger creators that most people see, and they're like, wow, look how much money they're making. The reason behind this is because, well, they're not really sure what advertisers to put on my account yet since it's relatively new. And also because, like I just said, advertisers do not want smaller channels promoting their products. But they still will pay you, and that is still a big bonus and something to be grateful for. But what's disappointing is when I spend about hour working on a video and it goes to make me a quarter. You see what I'm saying? So that's where it's like, that sucks, you know. You gotta start at the bottom, you gotta work your way up. But it is very possible to get rich off of YouTube. And some ways that you can try to get rich off of YouTube is just by being consistent. And that's what I'm trying to do on this channel right here. Blake One Finance. It's a channel that I love sitting in front of the camera and talking in front of. Now, obviously, at the time of recording this video, I have like 4 subscribers. Literally, like, actually, I think it might be 3 subscribers. Let me check real quick. Yeah, I literally have 3 subscribers. So I'm nowhere close to being monetized on this channel. I'm grateful that my main channel is monetized, so at least I can make money off of some of my video. But at the moment, this channel has no monetization. Now, getting a shorts channel monetized, on the other hand, is way harder, I would say, because you need 10 million video views and 1,000 subscribers. The 1,000 subscriber part is super easy, but I think that's just to make sure that you don't have just like one viral video and boom, you're getting paid off of YouTube. I think they want to see that you're more of like a set creator before you start getting paid off of YouTube. But it is very, very easy to say that it's not the best when you start off on YouTube at first. But if you move into somebody now that's getting about 100,000 views a month, well, you can assume that they're making about $1,000 a month. And $1,000 a month is $12,000 a year, which is not quite a salary. But for some people, that could pay some of your rent. But if we move into, you double those views, 200,000 views a month. Now you're talking $2,000 a month. You are basically getting your rent paid for the average person. You're getting your rent paid for that month. And you might even have a little bit on the side. So if you are getting $2,000 a month, 200,000 views a month, you can actually live somewhat of a healthy life. Now, it may actually be a little bit less than that because you still may not be getting paid the full $10 per 1,000 views because you're still a newer creator. You're not like super set into place yet, which I'm learning as I'm going on. But you're not exactly getting paid that full amount. So if you get 200,000 views, it's more like you're going to get $1,500 a month, but that can also still cover most people's rent. Now, it's really when you get about 500,000 views a month and above is when you can actually start making a living off of YouTube. Now, $5,000 a month That translates to $60,000 a year, which is more than most people will make at their 9 to 5 job. Give or take. You have to pay taxes on that money, keep in mind, and it's not just all free game. It's not, you're not just there instantly. You're gonna have some worse months than others, but you're gonna have some better months than others as well. But if you post 30 times and you need 500,000 views, let's just say you're probably gonna average around probably 2,000 views a video. Wait, my math might be off, but you get the point. You maybe oh sorry, yeah, like 20,000 views a video. You'll probably need like 10, 15,000 views per video to actually start making a living off of YouTube, right? We're talking about rich off YouTube. Can you get rich off of YouTube? So to even consider yourself rich, I would assume that you need at least $1 million in the bank account. And so for that, you're going to need to start making $200,000 to $300,000 a year off of YouTube. Now, if you simply break that down, $120,000 a year on YouTube is 1 million views a month. And that is a lot of views. That's 12 million views a year, but that's 100 grand a year. Now you need to triple that, and boom, you're going to be needing about 3,600,000 views a year to actually make $300,000 a year off of YouTube. But $300,000 a year is more than just about any career can pay you nowadays, unless you go to open your own practice. The only place that would pay you more than that is probably like a base level doctor. But even a lot of doctors that don't open their own practice will not make $300,000 a year off of YouTube. So it's very important to note that YouTube, you can hit it big on, but it is a freaking grind. I must say that. So if you haven't watched my last video, I recommend you go watch that video right now. I go ahead and talk about how hard it is to be a content creator, and I show on the thumbnail making 44 cents in one day, which is super, super difficult. Not exactly the funnest thing in the world, but it's really what I want to do, and it's really what I have a passion for, so that's what I'm going to do, and I'm going to continue to try to grow that part of my life, my the YouTube, social media, be an influencer, part like that. But I'm also going to be grinding on these channels as well. And like a wise man once told me, aka Mac Mula, he didn't tell me, I was watching his video, but he said you want to always have multiple streams of income if you are a content creator, because one of those channels could be gone instantly and your whole source of income could be gone as well. See, if you look at social media as a full-time job, well, you need to be full-time in it, right? So you need to have multiple accounts. You need to have a bunch of stuff. And so like for me, right, I have Blake Went, I have Blake Went Cars, I have Blake Went Shorts, Blake Went 2, Blake Went Finance. Right now, I've only posted on Blake Went Cars, Blake Went Shorts, and Blake Went Finance, which are 4 channels. I'm not posting on Blake Went 2 yet. But it is simply just because if one thing runs out, you get banned, whatever, you disappear, you still need to be making money somehow, and you still need to have channels set up for that. So yes, the answer to this video is yes, you can get rich off of YouTube. Is it easy? Definitely not. At the stage I'm in, this is probably the hardest stage because I'm not even making enough money to make it worth it. I'm not even making enough money to get paid out every month, because you do need $100 every month if you want to get paid out every single month, right? And so I'm probably not going to get paid, I'm assuming, until November or October, which will be my first over $100. You know, and what am I going to go do with $100? Well, maybe go to McDonald's 10 times. You see what I'm saying? So it's not really like I'm really getting anything out of this, but if it's a true passion that you have and you think that you could do something with it, then I'd recommend that you would, because that's the way that I feel. I feel like I could do something great with this, and I could continue on with it. So you can't get rich off YouTube. It's not likely. It's very difficult, but it can happen, and it's definitely will happen if you make it happen. And that's what I'm trying to do here on Blake Went Finance, Blake Went Cars, Blake Went Shorts, Blake Went. I'm big into powerlifting, big into cars, big into finance, and just shorts on all of that. So if you enjoy this content, please go ahead, drop a comment on what you want to see next so I can continue pumping content, and like, comment, subscribe. That basically does it for this video. Let me know what you thought of it in the comments below, like I just said. But that'll do it for me until next time. Peace.